Essential tips for successful baby care in your daily routine. Welcoming a newborn into your life is an exciting and life-changing journey. As you embark on this beautiful adventure, it's important to ensure that you're equipped with the right knowledge and skills to provide the best care for your little one. From feeding and diapering to sleep routines and playtime, here are some essential tips to help you navigate the world of baby care in your daily life. Establish a consistent routine. Babies thrive on routine and predictability. Creating a daily schedule that includes regular feeding times, naps, and play sessions helps your baby feel secure and promotes healthy sleep patterns. Consistency provides a sense of comfort and stability that is essential for their development. Prioritize proper feeding. Whether you're breastfeeding, formula feeding, or using a combination of both, ensuring your baby receives adequate nutrition is paramount. Pay attention to feeding cues, and feed your baby on demand. For breastfeeding mothers, maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated supports the quality of breast milk. Diaper changes and hygiene. Regular diaper changes are a must to keep your baby comfortable and prevent diaper rash. Use gentle baby wipes or warm water and cotton pads. After each change, apply a diaper cream to protect against irritation. Keep your baby's nails trimmed to prevent scratching, and remember to wash your hands before handling them to maintain hygiene. Create a safe sleep environment. A safe sleep environment is crucial for your baby's well-being. Always place your baby on their back to sleep in a crib with a firm mattress and a fitted sheet. Avoid using pillows, stuffed animals, or loose blankets in the crib to reduce the risk of suffocation. Make sure the room is at a comfortable temperature to prevent overheating. Soothing techniques. Babies often need help soothing themselves, especially during fussy moments. Experiment with different techniques such as swaddling, gentle rocking, shushing sounds, and offering a pacifier. Responding to your baby's cues and finding what works best for them can be comforting for both you and your baby. Encourage interaction and play. Engaging with your baby through talking, singing, and making eye contact stimulates their cognitive and social development. Incorporate tummy time into their daily routine to help them strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles. Simple activities like reading to your baby or showing them colorful toys can provide valuable learning experiences. Prioritize self-care. Caring for a baby requires a lot of energy and patience. Remember to prioritize your own well-being by getting enough rest when your baby sleeps, eating nutritious meals, and staying hydrated. Don't hesitate to ask for help from family members, friends, or a support network if you need a break. Stay informed and flexible. Baby care is an evolving journey. Stay informed about the latest parenting guidelines, health recommendations, and developmental milestones. Be open to adjusting your approach as your baby's needs change and grow. Successful baby care in your daily routine involves a combination of knowledge, patience, and love.